Hi friends, today we are going to see the past year NEET questions for the chapter Human Health and Diseases. Today in this video we will cover the last part, which is part 8. So with this we complete this full chapter. So let's begin with the first question, which was asked in the year 1999. Hybridoma cells are dash. So what are hybridoma cells? What are they associated with? Easy clue, it is associated with cancer. So now maybe you can give some introduction about it. So hybridoma, okay, hybridoma and myeloma cells. So that comes here. Hybridoma, a hybrid cell that is used as a basis for the production of antibodies in large amounts of diagnostic and therapeutic uses. Hybridoma are produced by injecting a specific antigen into the mouse, collecting the antibody producing the cell from the mouse spleen and infusing it into the tumor cell, which is called as myeloma cells. So now you understand what do they do here. The hybrid cells resulting from myeloma cells. Okay, therefore the right answer to this question is option B. Okay, yeah, next question here. Retrovirus are implicated as a cause for cancer in human because they dash. As we all know, cancer is initiated or it's activated when the inactive proto-oncogenes are activated to cellular oncogenes, which trigger the uncontrolled cell multiplication. So we all, to be honest, everybody has oncogenes. Kid, irrespective of age, everybody have oncogenes, but they are in the inactive form. Certain food habits, certain radiations, other external factors seem to activate those oncogenes. That is why they tell you don't take much coffee, don't eat, don't expose yourself to a lot of UV rays. These kind of external factors activate these oncogenes. So only when it gets activated to cellular oncogenes, that is where the cancer occurs, that is uncontrolled growth occurs. Therefore the right answer to this question is option B. Next question here. What's the next question here? Which is the particular type of drug that is obtained from the plant whose one flowering branch is shown below? So this is a very easy question. This is actually hallucinogen. Okay, the plant illustrated in the diagram belongs to datura. So here you have the answer. It's datura. Okay, where am I? Okay, which it has hallucinogenic properties. Hallucinogen is a substance that produces psychological effects normally associated only with dreams. That is, the event looks as though it has happened, but it didn't happen. It produces changes in perception in what is sensed to be perceptions of objects where there was none. So it's actually a perception, you call that as a thought or a feeling. Okay, so which is a particular type of drug which is obtained? The diagram tells you it's datura and it's hallucinogen. Okay, next question. Which one of the following is a hallucinogenic drug? You have 4 options here: opium, caffeine, morphine, lysergic acid diethylamide. So caffeine is not hallucinogenic. Morphine also doesn't come under it. Hallucinogens are drugs which cause illusions and delusions and change the feelings or the perception. Examples are bhang, charas, and you have many more. And one good example of hallucinogen is LSD. Okay, lysergic acid diethylamide. Opium and morphine are actually narcotics having analgesic property. That is, they are given to during like pain relievers, like during surgeries. They're analgesic, therefore they don't come under it. While caffeine is a stimulant, because people tell, right, if they drink coffee they feel more fresh, so that's a stimulant. So out of the 4, which one is the right answer? If you see, it is option D. Next question here. Cirrhosis of liver is caused by the chronic intake of dash. I think this is a very easy question. We all know what the answer is. If we drink too much, people tell your liver gets damaged. So it's alcohol. The long-term intake of alcohol causes the damage of the liver, which is known as cirrhosis of liver, which is continued to happen because of alcohol intake. The destruction of the hepatocytes and fibroblasts and stimulation of collagen protein formation. Therefore, the right answer to this question is option B. Next question here. Select the correct statement from the ones given below. You have to analyze the statements here. Barbiturates when given to criminals make them tell truth. Morphine is often given to person who have to undergone a surgery as a painkiller. So that's the right answer. We just now spoke about two things. One was opium and the other was morphine. These commonly used painkillers given to person who have just had undergone surgery. So they're actually called as analgesic. Okay, not anesthetic, analgesic. So morphine is a potent opioid analgesic that is often given to person as a painkiller. It is mainly used to relieve severe and persistent pain. It is administered by mouth injection, or it can be any way mode that you intake, or suppositories. Therefore, the right answer to this question is option B. Next question here. A person showing unpredictable moods, outburst of emotions, quarrelsome behavior, and conflict with other is suffering from dash. What do you call this as? It's not mood disorders or addictive or schizophrenia. So what do you think it will be? The first one, the borderline personality disorder, is a person suffering from emotionally unstable personality where they show a lot of anxiety, irritability, highly reactive, or you call it as hyperreactive. While if you take the rest, the person suffers from disordered thoughts, extreme responses, sometimes auditory hallucinations when it comes to the option D. Now, when we talk about emotion and hypersensitive behavior, it's because of the borderline personality disorder, which is BPD. Next question here. Which one of the following depresses the brain activity and produced feelings of calmness, relaxation, and drowsiness? Very easy question. See, morphine is not an anesthetic. It's actually an analgesic. It's a painkiller. So that will not be the answer. The right answer is Valium. Okay. So I'm going to give you an explanation to your right side. So you have option C, which is called as amphetamines. This bring about increased alternateness and sleepiness, while you have another one called as hashish. It is a hallucinogen. Valium is a tranquilizer and it depresses the brain activity and produces feelings of calmness, relaxation, drowsiness, and automatically the person goes to sleep. Morphine, if you know, it's a narcotic and it's a painkiller that is used or incorporated for people who have just undergone their surgery. Therefore, the right answer to this question is option B, Valium. Next question. Which one of the following is a correct match? We have to match and see. First one. Aspirin is a tranquilizer, cocaine is a narcotic, morphine is hallucinogenic, bang is analgesic. Therefore, option A is right, while aspirin is actually a tranquilizer, while morphine is narcotic, cocaine is what? Is a stimulant, and bang is actually hallucinogenic. And yeah, the right answer is aspirin. Aspirin is derived from Rafolia, which is used as a tranquilizer. So anything that you know about what this tranquilizer does? Tranquilizers. A medical drug that is taken to reduce tension or anxiety. You have a list of tranquilizers, that is Valium, Xanax, Restoril, Rofinil, Dalmane. So I can write some, I think, so you'll have an idea. So we have Dalmane, Imovane, then you have Xanax, Restoril. So these are some of the other tranquilizers that are used in the industry. Therefore, the right answer to this question is option A. Next question here. Which one of the following is an opiate narcotic? Very, very easy question. I think all of you know what the answer is. I think all of you know what the answer is. The option B is the right answer, which is morphine. Narcotics are opium and its derivatives which suppress the brain activity and relieve pain, and they are simply called as painkillers. These are extracted from the unripe capsules of poppy plant, example morphine and heroin. Okay, next question here. The use of cannabis products like bhang, ganja, charas, marijuana, hashish causes dash. So what are these actually? What do they do? You must have heard these names. So they are all said to alter the thoughts, perceptions and feelings. Tranquilizers bring about depression of the brain activity and feeling of calmness, while stimulants stimulate the nervous system, increase the alertness and activity. Hallucinogens alter the thoughts, perception and the feelings. So these products, what do? They alter the thoughts, perception and the feelings. Okay, next question here. The alkaloid ajmalicine is obtained from dash. The name looks very unique. So where is it obtained from? Ajmalicine. So you have four options here. The right answer is sarpagandha, which is option D. Sarpagandha, botanically known as Rufalia, it's called as Rufalia serpentina, belongs to the family of Apocynaceae. Its tuberous roots are caused or it is used for medicine. Ajmalicine is associated or it is isolated from Sarpagandha. So it's the name, the common name that we use, but the scientific name is Rufalia serpentina. Okay, next question. Opiate narcotic is dash. Very easy question. What the answer is? Heroin. Next question. Analgesic drugs are dash. So that also we know what the answer is. I already explained and I gave you two examples like morphine and opium. They relieve pain. They are given or incorporated for people who just underwent their surgery because they'll have a lot of pain once the anesthetics is over, especially during cesarean and so on. These drugs are incorporated to relieve pain. So analgesic are drugs which relieve pain, and option B is the right answer. The right example they've given, ibuprofen. Okay, brufen is often used as a analgesic drug. Okay, with this we complete the part 8 of human health and diseases. Hope to meet you in another new chapter with another set of questions, and with a lot of discussions we will meet. Thank you.